The Wondrous Journey of Pumpkins, unveiling the path from seed to jack-o'-lantern. With the arrival of the enchanting autumn season, the spotlight shines on pumpkins, captivating hearts and minds alike. These extraordinary gourds have woven themselves into the tapestry of human culture for centuries, fascinating both young and old. Let us embark on this enthralling exploration, discovering the world of pumpkin cultivation, its historical significance, and the cherished art of carving jack-o'-lanterns. The genesis of pumpkins. Our story commences with the humble seed, a tiny repository of potential wonders. Belonging to the Cucurbita pepo family, pumpkins flourish in warm climates. As the days lengthen and temperatures rise, these resilient seeds awaken, commencing an extraordinary journey of growth. Nurturing nature's bounty. Pumpkins, while not overly demanding, thrive when nurtured with care and attention. Adequate sunlight, well-draining soil, and consistent watering form the bedrock of their healthy development. As an agronomist, I emphasize the significance of providing essential nutrients, especially during their formative stages, to foster robust growth and abundant harvests. The Dance of Pollination. A pivotal chapter in the life of a pumpkin is the enchanting Dance of Pollination. Sporting both male and female flowers, pumpkins depend on the aid of bees and other pollinators to transfer precious pollen from one bloom to another, setting the stage for the emergence of the beloved fruit we cherish. Understanding this intricate pollination process is essential for successful pumpkin cultivation. The rich history of pumpkins. The endearing pumpkin boasts a captivating history spanning countless generations. Native to the Americas, these marvelous gourds held a special place in the hearts of ancient cultures, serving as a vital food source and taking center stage in their folklore. Through the voyages of intrepid European explorers, pumpkins found their way to distant lands, leaving an indelible mark on global agricultural heritage. Embracing the Halloween tradition. The crowning glory of the pumpkin's journey is its cherished role in the time-honored Halloween tradition of carving jack-o'-lanterns. The art of skillfully sculpting eerie faces into pumpkins and illuminating them with flickering candles evokes a sense of enchantment and celebration. Rooted in Irish folklore, carved turnips were initially used as lanterns to ward off malevolent spirits on All Hallows' Eve, a tradition that evolved with the introduction of the pumpkin. Harvesting the fruits of labor. As autumn bids farewell and winter unfurls its icy embrace, the time comes to reap the bountiful rewards of our efforts. Pumpkins not only dazzle as decorations but also bestow nutritional riches. Laden with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, they offer a treasure trove of health benefits. From delectable pies to heartwarming soups, pumpkin-based recipes bring comfort and joy to our tables during the colder months. The journey of a pumpkin from seed to jack-o'-lantern is a testament to the marvels of nature and human ingenuity. Whether cultivating your own pumpkin patch or carving a whimsical jack-o'-lantern, let the magic of pumpkins enrich your seasonal celebrations. Wishing you a delightful and enchanting pumpkin season. Ready to embark on a captivating journey of knowledge and discovery? Don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Subscribe to our channel now and become a valued member of our community. Click that subscribe button and let's embark on this incredible journey together.